Whoa. Where are you trying to go, huh? You wanna get away from Dad? Huh? Oh, you wanna go? You're actually gonna go eat now? Hmm? Does Daddy have to play with you some more? Oh, you don't keep eating. You'll be Daddy's forever. Mommy's gonna give you up. And you got nowhere to go but with me. So, you gonna be a good boy? Oh, you calm down right away. Was that scary? Spend the rest of your life with me? Look at him, he's calm now. Ready to eat. Oh, look at him, he smiled. And I swear to God, he knows what's up. He knows when we talk. He smiles at the right times. Did you say me? Did you say me? You wanna go on a fun? Huh? You wanna go on a fun? Wanna go on a fun? Huh? 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 Beat you with both hands, Cyber.
So I don't. Pretty special. And then 2 years into marriage.
He just stares. It's hilarious.
An incredible fight.
I'm very sorry.
What are you doing?
Hiding. I'm doing, I'm measuring stuff. Like a quarter and...
She's doing schoolwork. Right?
School.
Right?
Since then, I try to keep things.
Say yeah.
Job,
Right?
has its ups and downs, but at least it doesn't break your heart.
Oh, it fell out.
You pranking people? Uh-huh.
I should not say something.
Say hi, Chubby. We're going for a walk and you're so warm with your jacket. So cute, huh? You're so cute. You ready for your walk, sweetie? Say, get me out of this, Mom.